In today's market, the plumber needs a fast and easy install. They want versatility where one valve will work in a variety of applications with a full range of trim, and they need reliability with trouble-free installation and operation. Today, I want to introduce to you one of the most exciting new valves I've seen in many years. It's the new Rite-Temp pressure balance valve, and it's the next generation in shower valves, and it's only from Kohler. Let's take a look at some of the different configurations. Let's start with the complete valve. You have your mud guard with the cartridge, the valve body itself, and your rough-in guide or template. You'll notice it's fully disassembled, so you don't have to take anything apart. Now first, let's concentrate on the valve body itself. It's forged brass, and it has a real small profile, which is good getting into tight spaces, and the mounting holes are built right into the valve body, so that'll save you from putting up extra clips. But my favorite part is it comes in a variety of different pipe connections, and let me show you. This is universal because you could sweat it or thread it. This is crimp PEX. This is cold expansion PEX. This is female NPT. It works great with CPVC. And this is sweat only. Now let's move on to the cartridge. It comes complete with the mud guard, and it's also a handy handle so you can turn the valve on and off before you install your trim. On the back side, it has double seals for reliable installation. But my favorite part is it's all one unit, so there's no taking it apart to fiddle with smaller parts. The whole unit is basically plug and play. What I just showed you was the complete individual valve package right here. But you can also order separate components. This is just the valve body only. This is a cartridge only. You can even get project packages or project packs. Look at this one. You have 12 valve bodies in a box. Now when you order the valve body only, it'll come with the test cap. That way you don't have to get the cartridges right away, and that could save you upfront job costs. Okay, I showed you the key features, but now I want to show you just how easy it installs. It's quite simple, and for this case, I have a standard 2x4 installation where the finished wall material will be 3/4 to 1.5 inches thick from the surface of the studs. Now, all I have to do is get this scrap piece of 2x4, and I've already pre-measured this for a bath shower setup, and then I slide it in like this so it's flush with the back of the studs. All I have to do now is screw it in, and we're ready to install the valve body. I've already added the support braces for the shower arm and the bath spout, and I've also pre-assembled the plumbing tree with the valve body installed. Now I'll level it up and attach the tree to the support using the 2 integrated mounting points on the valve body. Now that the valve body is installed, let me point out a couple of things. As you can see, the shower arm and bath spout are on the same plane as the valve body. This makes for a straight connection right up to the shower arm, and this could be a simpler and quicker way to install the valve. It's time to finish up the rough-in process, and for that, we'll need the valve body test cap. Now this test cap is great. It allows you to pressure test the system and flush the system out before you install the cartridge. It just goes right into place, and then you screw it in there good and tight, and make sure you also cap off your bath spout and your shower arm spout so no water will shoot out at you. And then once you have that done, you can put in the rough-in guide or template to complete the process. As you can see, the walls are all finished out. I'm moving on to the next step. My next step is to trim out the rough-in guide template. With the test cap out, the cartridge could go in. And look at the cartridge. It's a beautiful self-contained all-in-one unit, and it's a breeze to install. Just line up where it says cold with the cold water line and tighten up the screws. Another great feature with this new valve is it works with any Rite-Temp trim. So install the valve on the cartridge now, pick out the trim later. To start the trim installation, get the trim adapter and screw it over the cartridge till it goes in all the way. Then back it off a bit until the flange ends are vertical. Then just pop in the pin. Next, we'll work on the handle assembly. Get the stem extension, push that into place, and once that's in there good and tight, now you're going to get the handle adapter. Put it deep side first and put that into place. Try to get it as horizontal as possible. Now, get your screw and tighten up the whole assembly. The back plate assembly is next, and look, it has a built-in seal, so there's no need for messy caulk. Take the back plate and put it over the valve stem. Make sure that the large hole is at the bottom. Now all we have to do is get the 2 screws and put them in the top and the bottom. To finish up, grab the faceplate and the handle. Align the faceplate so the graphics are correct. Then get the handle and screw it onto the back plate assembly. Hold the faceplate so it doesn't twist and turn the handle collar clockwise to tighten it up, and you're done. The new Rite-Temp pressure balancing valve is the next generation in shower valving. The valve system adds versatility to every project because you can install the plumbing and test the system before you purchase the cartridge and trim. Its compact size makes installation quick and easy, even in tight spaces. With straight pipe runs and a full range of pipe connection options, installation is a snap, whether replacing an existing valve or installing new. The one-piece cartridge design incorporates Kohler's latest generation of diaphragm pressure balancing technology to deliver accurate performance with long-term reliability that you can count on. In short, Kohler's Rite-Temp valve platform offers easy installation, versatility, and the reliability you expect. When you add everything up, the Kohler Rite-Temp valve is the right valve for you.